Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get your boating license in USA. Want to enjoy the open water legally and safely? Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to get your boating license in the USA. Step 1. Check your state's requirements. Boating laws vary by state. In some, you must take a course if you are under a certain age. In others, everyone needs a license. Head to www.boat-ed.com or your state's wildlife or parks department website to see what applies to you. Step 2. Take a boater safety course. Take a state-approved boater safety course. Most states accept online courses. They are convenient and can be done at your own pace. Popular sites include Boat-AD, Boater Exam, and the U.S. Coast Guard Auxiliary. Expect to spend 3 to 6 hours learning about navigation rules, safety equipment, and emergency procedures. Step 3. Pass the exam, especially the final one. Most courses end with a multiple choice test. You usually need a score of 18% or higher to pass, and do not worry, you can often retake it if needed. Get your boating license card. Receive your boating license or safety card. Once you pass, you will either get a digital certificate instantly or a plastic card in the mail. Some states also allow you to add it to your mobile wallet. Step 5. Always carry your license while boating. Law enforcement may ask to see it. Boating without it could lead to fines or penalties, so keep that in mind and stay safe. Now let me introduce some bonus steps. Wear a life jacket because it's important. Check weather conditions before you go boating. Know your boat's capacity and do not drink and boat. Penalties can be just like DUIs. And that is it. Getting your boating license in the US is easier than you think, and it is your key to safe, legal fun on the water. If you benefit from this video, please support us with like, subscribe, and see you in a new video.